and we light up this this Christmas and the parks here. In other cities where I've gone, the lights are permanent. They don't come seasonal. We must call it the bright light city. So we are going to keep part of the lighting or most of the lighting permanently at night so that people enjoy the city during the day and they enjoy it during the night. So it's going to be something that we are going to work on. We are, of course, going to resuscitate the Christmas Cheer Fund, which gives to the underprivileged. We are going to reconstitute the board to make sure that it has men and women who will represent the best that is Harare. So very soon we are going to announce the Christmas Cheer Fund board. And then we are going to use the proceeds to give to charity. We are beginning next year with the Mayor's Christmas Cheer Fund Cup, which is going to be played by the 6 teams in Harare that have qualified to the Premier League. Dynamos, Capes, Yada, Rentals, Scotland, and Simba Bora. So they are going to play the first tournament, and the proceeds from that tournament will go to charity. We'll have many other activities that will bring the Christmas cheer to many of the citizens. I know the biggest topic today is pollution. We are going to make sure that next year Harare becomes a city of laws. If you throw down a paper, you are going to be dealt with the law. If you litter, the law will deal with you. If you are staying where you are not supposed to be staying, the law will deal with you. We are going to make Harare a cleaner city. We are going to pollute our environment less. I know they are concerned about Lake Chiwero. We are investigating what is happening at Lake Chiwero. We are looking at the animals. Okay. We are going to look at the animals, and we are going to look at the water quality in Lake Chiwero and make sure that we will share the Christmas spirit with our animals. So we are going to create a litter-free city. We are going to create a less polluted environment, and we are going to be clamping down on people who have errant behavior. We are also going to make sure that the citizens beautify their buildings. But today, we've come to celebrate Christmas. We've come to light up the city, and that is what we are now proceeding to do. We hope that once we do this, everyone will get into the mood and share the Christmas spirit. I welcome you and thank you for coming here, and that we are committed as your council to making Harare better and better. Thank you.